Today, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about the Ryan Mountain Trail. The Ryan Mountain Trail is a great opportunity for 360-degree views of Joshua Tree National Park, and is number 3 on my list of top things to do in Joshua Tree. This strenuous out-and-back 3-mile trail leads you directly up Ryan Mountain. The trail starts off amongst some giant boulders, but quickly it turns into stairs. You gain over 1,000 feet of elevation on your 1.5-mile trek to the summit, which makes for quite a workout. There's a fork in the trail that leads you to Sheep's Pass Campground, but you'll just want to keep climbing those stairs. While on the trail, the views of Joshua Tree are spectacular. The Park Service does a great job maintaining and marking this trail, so it's very hard to get lost. This trail hikes up the north face of Ryan Mountain, so if you're in Joshua Tree in the summer, start early and you'll have shade for most of the hike. Conversely, if it's winter and it's freezing outside, you probably want to go later in the afternoon. I like almost any hike, but there's something very satisfying about topping out a mountain. At the top, you'll see panoramic views of Pinto Basin, Lost Horse Valley, Queen Valley, and Pleasant Valley, as well as a view of San Gorgonio, the tallest peak in Southern California. Even when the summit is packed, there's always a place for you to find a little bit of solitude at the top of the mountain. I like to pack a lunch and bring binoculars and look for some bighorn sheep. I can't stress enough how important preparing for the desert climate is. You want to make sure you have plenty of water, sunscreen, a hat, or even an umbrella for shade. For me, the hardest part is hiking down the trail. Remember to bring walking sticks and take as many breaks as you did on the way up. If you're looking for more things to do, make sure to look at the top 17 things to do in Joshua Tree video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tour of the Ryan Mountain Trail. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Also, comment below. Let me know what your favorite hike in Joshua Tree is.